Alright, so this is Jules here with Jules Auto Rescue, and today we're looking at a Crown Victoria. Customer complaint is an exhaust rattle. So we've got it jacked up, we've got the jack stand underneath it. Safety first, and let's take a look under here. It looks like he has 4 catalytic converters. There's a pre-cat, the main cat, and then on the other side he also has a pre-cat and a main cat. So you can hear the rattle that he's complaining about. Sounds like it's coming from the other side. So let's go listen to this one. Yep. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds like the catalyst inside is broken and rattling around in there. So it's not a loose heat shield. Sometimes you have loose heat shields and they'll make a rattling noise. So I wanted to get underneath and fully diagnose this thing. And I think we're done here.